God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. John 3:16. Whosoever denies that Jesus is the Christ, such a person is the Antichrist, will not deny him. The Father and the Son.
Succeed. And next, Shuna.
Man shall not live on bread alone. Blot me out of the book you have written.
People are destined to die once and after that to face judgments. Hebrews chapter 9 verse 27. In the Spirit and in truth. Acts chapter 16 verse 31.
Jesus answered to his written, "Man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God."
Matthew chapter 4 verse 4. Jesus answered, "It is written, man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God."
Matthew chapter 6 verse 6. But when you pray, go into your room and shut the door and pray to your Father who is in secret. And your Father who sees in secret will reward you.
Don't you know that you are God's temple and God's Spirit dwells in you, and if anyone destroy God's temple, God will destroy him. For God's temple is holy, and you are the temple.
But when you pray, go into your room and pray to your Father who is in secret, and your Father who is in secret will reward you.
1 John chapter 2 verse 22. Who is the liar? It is whoever that denies that Jesus is the Christ. Such a person is Antichrist, denying the Father and the Son.
Up. 1, 2, 3.
I will trust you, God, with all my heart today.